To replace a side lag on the entrance with the panic bar. Okay, this lag is not working right now, so we're gonna replace it. It's a Onity H24, H25. Okay, first thing we got to do, we have to take the screws of this cover. There's 4 screws. One here, one here, one here, and one here. Once you take this, you're gonna take the cover, you just push this one down and you can move the cover out. Okay, you put this on the side. Then we're gonna take 1, 2, 3, 4 screws at the bottom. We need to remove the bar because the screws for the lag is gonna be behind this plate. All right, we got on this floor. We're gonna put this bar right here on the side. Just leave it like this. All right, and there's gonna be 1 screw here. Sometimes there's some other ones here, but this door doesn't have those, so there's only 2 right here. Okay, once you remove these ones, you can take this one out. Just take it out. Okay. Esta es la maquinita. Okay, then we need to have the portable load, and because we need to initialize this door, we are going to check what name this door has it. Okay, so for that one we're going to connect the machine, and you're going to go to test, click OK. The name is WRDR. It's gonna tell you what kind of what name is it. Okay, so the battery's okay. The switch this. That's how you're gonna switch. This one works, this one works. Okay, so we know it's the WDRD. So we're gonna open it. The batteries are good, so I'm gonna use the same batteries. No, I have new batteries, right? Where are the new batteries? Here. I'm gonna put new batteries. I'm gonna risk it. Yeah, shut me in. I'm gonna put new batteries. Okay, it's a good idea if you're going to use a new lag.
It's the other one.
No, this one. No, it's the other one. We're gonna put this one. So we're gonna put the new batteries. Inside has the minus and plus, how you have to put the batteries. On the last one, the light is going to flash red. Okay. So now what you want to do, because this is a new battery right here on the back, it's gonna have this rubber piece right here. You have to reset it. It's always better to reset it. Okay, you're gonna push with the screwdriver inside. You see inside there's like a little button, the clear button. You're gonna push it, and in the front it has to light. The lights have to light. You see, red and green. You have to push it just a couple seconds, and this is going to clear the lag. Okay, once it's clear, you're gonna put back the thing to protect from the dust. And now what we need to do, this is a new lag, so we need to initialize this lag. Okay, so you go to your portable, turn it on, just go initialize, push the green one. It's asking you what door name, So you're going to find the same name. WRDR. Okay, so you're gonna push. Maybe in your hotel or in your house is going to be a different name. Just find the same name. Setting time and the communication. Okay, everything is good. Now we need to test, make sure everything works before we pull out the screws. Just grab your master key. Nothing. There you go. It's working. Yep, that's all we need. So now we can go ahead and put the lock. We close the cover. Put the screw. This guy's lost there. No quiere, pinche. Espera. Porque no se le mete. So those doesn't go inside this where you plug the machine. So we're done. We're just gonna put this cover. Just like this. We put the cover. Put the screw. Remember, this screw sometimes they get really tight, so you put some kind of oil or something and don't tie it too much, just like enough. Okay, once we got that one, we're gonna put this back. We're gonna put this back in the hole. There you go. We're going to put the two screws. Hold this lock. And these screws, just tie them enough. Do not tie too much. Just gonna put my drill in number 1 and tie. The door is straight. Yeah, this is enough. Then we're going to put everything back. We're going to put the bar back. This one is going to have a hole right here. So you just have to match this into the lock. That's it. Make sure everything here is moving, because you have to oil. You can oil this one. That way your bar is going to be working good. Okay, we're going to put the screws back. Sure. The panic back closes, everything is good, moving good. Alright, now we're gonna test. I don't have time to look for the right color, so we're gonna use this one. We're gonna just test, make sure the door works. There we go. Perfect. Everything works perfect. There you go. So now we can put the cover. Everything is working good. put the cover, just again, just push this pin so you can put it inside and put the screws back. See all the screws to hold the cover. Okay. We're going to close the door. Huh. Where's my screw? Look, it's that. I need to put the handle screw. Put back the handle screw and we open the lock, see if everything is good. It's not freaking reading anything now. What the heck? Se desactivó mi tarjeta. Looks like my car got deactivated. Okay. Yeah. It's a good thing if the door doesn't open. We're gonna make two videos in one. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to open it with the portable. I'm going to open this screw. I'm gonna remove the cover. You're gonna put the portable, connect the portable, turn on the portable, and just click open. There, it's gonna ask you for a code. You have to know your code. Every time you push the X. And just click. This one is going to transmitting and the door is going to open. And that's how you open this with the portable. Okay, we're gonna see. This one is hitting right here. So we need to adjust the cover because it's hitting the bar. It's not letting the bar close. I'm going to need new screws, man. We need to align this one so it's not going to hit the bar. You see it got stuck right here. So we need another screw right here in the back. So it's not moving. So that's why you need 4 screws. Okay, no, it doesn't. It still gets stuck. I need to tighten this more, maybe. Okay, steps again. Suéltale, güey. estorba. Damn, this car doesn't work anymore. I have to go get me another master key. This one is not working. Yeah, that's how you do it. You have to go get another master key, but that's how you change a lock with on the side door with the push button. Okay, bye. Subscribe.